Good afternoon, dear students. So today we will start with the new topic, under block 25. That is the intricate relationship lithosphere and hydrosphere. So this is our topic of discussion for today. Aim for today is students will be able to analyze the intricate relationship between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Resources needed is world map cut into 7 pieces, your notebook and your exit content book. The keywords for today is imbalance, landslide, earthquake and tsunami. Let us learn the keywords. Okay, first of all, what is imbalance? Referring to the property of not being in balance. They are known as imbalance. And what is landslide? And I'm sure you all have seen what is landslide. You all have seen landslide, okay? And I hope you all know what is landslide. It is a natural disaster that involves the breakup and downhill flow of rock, mud, water, and anything caught in the path. And what is earthquake? A shaking of the ground that is caused by volcanic activity or movement around geologic faults. And what is tsunami? A very large and destructive wave. They are known as tsunami. Alright, so in our previous classes, we have learned about the features of the four domains of the Earth, the continent that makes up the main land masses of the lithosphere, and the ocean that form 97% of the hydrosphere. Okay, and the ocean they form 97% of the hydrosphere. So which means the rest 3% they are either from glacier or from river or underground water. Okay. Alright, so you might find difficult to understand the intricate relationship that the domain share with each other. Okay, so we will learn about that. So how does the lithosphere support life? And how does the hydrosphere support life? We have learned about the lithosphere, the 7 continent, hydrosphere, the 4 ocean, right? So how does lithosphere support life and how does hydrosphere they support life? Very simple and easy. Okay, so see, the lithosphere is the land that we walk, we grow food and we build our houses on. Okay, and the hydrosphere is actually not limited to just an ocean, but it also includes rivers, ponds, glaciers and rain, and they provide water that is essential for the existence of life. There is an intricate relationship between the lithosphere and hydrosphere in supporting life, okay, because both lithosphere and hydrosphere they support life. However, there are many factors which may cause an imbalance in this relationship, in their relationship. Okay, there is some imbalances. All right, and there are some factors which affect to that. Now, let us read the section, the intricate relationship. Okay, as I read for you, you also please listen carefully, and then you can even read by yourself. Okay, an intricate relationship, lithosphere and hydrosphere. There is an intricate relationship between the lithosphere and the hydrosphere. Any change leading to an imbalance in this relationship can have a disastrous consequences. So there are two type of activities that can cause an imbalances. Alright, that is through human activities and natural activities. One is human and another is natural activities. So the 2013 Uttarakhand floods were caused by human activities and not by natural activities. Okay, the extensive deforestation, blasting of mountainsides to build roads, and construction of resort on fragile river banks caused the soil and rock to come close to loose. Sorry, the rainfall that year triggered disastrous landslide, causing great loss of life and property. The crust of the earth is not one continuous layer of rock, but is broken up into a number of plates. Human activities like construction of big dams or blasting dynamite may trigger earthquakes. The three Gorges Dam in China stands on two fault lines. The weight of the water in the dam is massive. So similarly, when the de- when the dam gates are open and the water from the reservoir they are rush out, it causes the crust to tremble again, which has led to the more than 1000 earthquake in a few past years. So the lithosphere plate are continuously moving. The movement of the plate under the Indian Ocean caused water from the ocean to be displaced in December 2004. All right, so these are the topic that you have to read, okay, from your textbook. So similarly, here's a question: what are the two types of activities that can cause an imbalances in the relationship between the lithosphere and hydrosphere? Alright, from our reading, we came to know that the two type of imbalances are mainly due to human and natural activities. Okay, they can cause imbalance in the relationship between the various component of these domains. Alright, from our reading, okay, this question: what happened during the 2013 Uttarakhand floods? Were they caused by human or natural activities? Alright, so the flood, okay, were caused due to a combination of human and natural factors. Alright, due to the rising population, there has been extensive deforestation in the state. Alright, so because of overpopulation, people just started clearing forests to settle. Okay, and the roots of the trees they go deep into the earth and they hold onto both rock and soil. When these trees are cut down, the rock and soil they become loose. Alright, and apart from deforestation, the mountain sides have been blasted to construct roads, again leading to loose rock and soil. And due to growing tourism, various resorts were constructed on the unstable river banks in the state. So in 2013, the state received a great amount of rainfall, okay, and the force of the water caused landslide. The rocks and soil became completely loose and the entire mountain sides and river banks were washed away, okay, leading to great loss of life, both human and animal, as well as the property, okay, the houses and all, okay. All right, now, um, what has been the consequences of the construction of three gorge dam in China? Is is this caused by human or natural activities? All right, so if you have read your textbook, okay, you'll find that see, the crust of the earth is not continuous. All right, it is broken into a plates, and each plate has many cracks or faults. Okay, so the three gorge dam has been built on two major fault lines. So the reservoir or lake they form behind the dam, they store a great amount of water. When the dam gates are open and the water from the reservoir rush out, it causes the crust to temple at the crack, leading to earthquakes. Alright, so earthquakes they cause major destruction to life and property. So these earthquakes in China are caused due to human activities. Alright, though natural factors have an important role to play, okay, but it was mainly because of human activities and not natural activities. So just an example, okay, this is a dam, a huge dam, okay, okay, reservoir, water reservoir, and then here is a dam, okay, in order to okay, here is a dam. So if the waters overflow, all right, and the dam are rush out, okay, then the overflow water uh, it it leads okay, it causes the trust to trample at the cracks, okay, because our earth there is some crack in between, okay, so it leads to earthquake. So earthquake they cause major destruction to life as well as to property. So this earthquake which happened in China was caused due to human activities, okay, though natural factor also have an important role to play. So what happened during the 2004 tsunami, and was it caused by human or natural activities? Okay, when you talk about the 2004 tsunami, okay, so you see, on 26 December 2004, okay, the lithospheric plate pushing against each other for almost 100 years, okay, they move violently at the lithospheric plate on which India is when India is they went under the other plate, okay, called the Burma plate. So this displaced the water in the Indian Ocean, which rushed towards land. All right. So grounding people on beaches and in their houses, and it also destroyed property along with the way till the coast of Africa. Okay. So this tsunami was caused by the natural activities of movement of lithospheric plate and not by human activities. So what can we actually do to maintain the balance between the three domains? So what can we as a human do to maintain the balance between the three domains? Alright, so see, in order to maintain the intricate balance, okay, we must make sure that we do not disturb the natural environment too much. Alright, so in our way, what we can do is we can ensure that the effects of deforestation and other harmful activities are minimized. So we can plant more trees in our neighborhood. We can save water in our homes so that drastic measures like building dams need not be taken many years later. All right. So we can also help those affected by natural disaster by sending them food and by sending them clothes. All right. So see, imbalances is caused due to human activities and natural activities, and the consequences of imbalance leads to landslide, earthquake, and tsunamis. Alright, student. So that's it. Now for today, you have to complete your practice question number 10. Alright, practice question number 10 along with my learning chart. Okay, my learning chart you can do in your textbook, okay, in your content book, but for practice question number 10 you please write it down in your notebook. All right, and bring it on Monday. So that's it. Take care and have a good day.